Hey YouTube, it's your girl Cherry Coco with another video. Yes, it is day 10 of Vlogmas. And in the last video, I gotta stop saying and so much. I say and smack my lips all the time. That is, I watch my videos. That is so annoying. That is so annoying. But rewatching my videos, I noticed that it was sounding like I was saying vlogist, like August, but with vlog in front of it. And trust me, y'all, I know that this is vlogmas, but in the videos, my pronunciation just does not come off. And I swear that I know how to pronunciate my words. I'm very articulate. I did go to college, but it is not working out. And it ain't the alcohol. Well, it might be the alcohol today, but it wasn't the alcohol before because I was in the car and it sounded like I said vlogist. And I very much remember saying vlogmas. M-A-S as in vlogmas. And look at me, I got on my little Santa hat because I am sitting on my living room floor preparing to put some gifts together and some gift bags and wrapping some things up. I am on the ball. I am ahead of the game. Well, I like to think I'm ahead of the game, but I don't know if I am or not, so who knows. But I just wanted to come on here and do another video. Sorry if this is kind of like shaky. I'm not using my tripod. I'm using my selfie stick kind of thingy. It's a little itty bitty tripod, but it's not the tall one that sits up. So I feel like this is really shaky. I don't know. And I ain't got a lick of makeup on, but you know what? I don't care because I'm in the privacy of my own home. Like I told y'all before, I can be bald-headed at home. I can be bald-faced at home. So today I'm bald-headed, bald-faced, but I am in the Christmas spirit with my dollar Santa hat that I got from the Dollar Tree. So yeah. So let's get ready with day 10. Oh, I wanted to so I was on Instagram and somebody was talking about how this hot girl summer got all these spring babies coming. Y'all, when I tell y'all I hollered out loud, that was like the funniest thing to me. Y'all turned up all summer just to have some spring babies, and I'm gonna be a hater because I ain't get to have no hot girl summer because I'm married, so I'm gonna hate on all y'all. We play dates and mommy groups next summer. Y'all gonna have a hot mommy summer next summer, huh? 2020. But no, congratulations to everybody who is now pregnant. That was under, what's that girl's name? Bianca Bonnie. I was looking at, I think that was under one of her posts because I think she just announced that she was pregnant or whatever. Congratulations to her though. She is too cute and she gonna have a cute baby. I don't know what her dude look like, but it don't matter because she cute enough to have, that baby just gonna be cute all by itself. So congratulations to her. I'm gonna get myself together. I was telling this one girl in her live chat that I know I'm on the wrong side of thick, but I'm about to get it together in 2020. I'm about to hit that intermittent fasting. I'm going to really get on my keto diet. At the same time, I'm doing the weights. I'm doing it all. When my birthday roll around in April, it's gonna be, I'm about to change the game for nobody but myself. So yeah, because I got some trips that I want to take. I don't know. So yeah. And what else did I want to talk about on day 10? If y'all can't tell how hard Vlogmas is, I ain't got no vlog footage. I am sitting here on the floor in my living room having me an after work drink. Well, it's way after work. It's a lot later than I thought. Well, it's not late because you know a girl can't stay up past 9:30 after you turn a certain age. 10 o'clock rolling around. I'm pissed off if I'm not in the bed. I really am. I got an attitude. I am no fun because I need my sleep at this age. So it ain't that late, but it's late for me. So, but yeah, it ain't late. Oh, and excuse my nails. I know the last couple of videos my nails have not been done because I'm waiting to the last minute for my pate to get them done. And the same thing with my hair. If y'all wonder why I keep being a bald-headed scallywag, because I haven't picked out a wig yet, or I don't know if I want to do my crochet. I like my big hair, in the crochet, but the wig might be a little bit more efficient, and yeah, it just might be a little bit more efficient, so I might go with that. So I'm gonna be looking a hot mess up until Friday, until I get my nails done, my lashes done, my eyebrows done, have my hair slayed, because Saturday is the day of the party and I ain't got no coins to be going back and forth. So I ain't got no coins to go forth, so this is gonna be a stretch for me. Yeah, and this is all at Christmas time, so yeah. Even though I am liking the short hair that I've been wearing, but I don't know if it's for me permanently. Oh, I'm gonna insert some clips in here of me having short hair before that I really, really liked. It was that mommy, one was the mommy wig, and the other one was, oh, I forget what wig that was. Oh my gosh, I have, and I can't even, I don't even think I have the tag. I usually keep the tags to all my wigs because I want to go back and purchase them again, because the majority of the short ones and stuff is just synthetic. I don't believe in paying all that money for human hair wigs when you can really easily revive a synthetic wig. But I'm gonna show y'all some clips. I might just do that instead of just actually cutting my hair off, because I'm trying so hard to get the big natural afro. So I don't know. I don't want to keep cutting my hair. I feel like I just been cutting my hair, well, cutting my ends just like over and over and over and over and over again. And if you guys are wondering what I'm drinking, this is freeze vodka and coconut skinny syrup, which is 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, very keto friendly, with a little bit of lime juice squirted in there, which is also all the zeros, and it is tasting real nice right now. So yeah, so I want your guys' opinion on what my next hairstyle should be. I'm going to insert some clips of some past hairstyles that I've had. Like, I've been straight, I've been curly, I've been short, I've been braided, I've been locked. I don't know. I changed my hair so much because I just like, that's the one thing, that's not the one thing, but that is one of the things I love about being a black woman. Ain't nothing for us to change our hair in a heartbeat. On Tuesday, I could be down my back, and then on Wednesday, I could be, you know, Holly Berry, pixie cut, and then the day after that, I got the big curly, you know, Angela Davis afro. I just love it. But you know, you always get those white folks at work saying, did you cut your hair? Your hair is different. Did your hair grow that long? It's like, oh man, it's nuts. So yeah, so I'm going to insert some clips. I want you guys to give me some suggestions on what I should do with my hair next. Like I said, I haven't really been, I'm just not quite sure about my makeup. I like my skin the way it is, but I do got some discoloration that I haven't had time to deal with at the moment. I usually, a lot of times I make my own skincare products to clear up my skin. Well, I don't really battle with acne, just oily skin, but I haven't had time to make my own skincare products. I'm working on, like, well, I'm not working on it, but I want to work on a discoloration mask, like that turmeric and yogurt. Now, before, I was just doing the turmeric in the water, and the turmeric was working by itself. Somebody told me to do the turmeric in the Greek yogurt. I haven't done that in a long time. I was just doing the turmeric, and it kind of sort of worked. I mean, it did work. I mean, it didn't work as fast as some of the results I saw with the yogurt. So after this party in the holidays, I think I'm going to, oh, and the one girl I was watching had honey in hers too. So I'm going to experiment with that and not just do the turmeric and, what else was I doing? I was just doing the turmeric in the water and making a paste out of it, and putting it underneath here and putting it over my lip, because for some reason my lip is darker, and it was kind of like dyeing the hairs. But that's the only places that I was actually putting it. But it worked. But I haven't done it in years. But I think I'm going to reincorporate that. Oh, I hear my grandson crying. I think he's about to come up. So that's my cue to end this video. Y'all hear him? All right, that's it. All right, bye guys. Thank you for watching day 10 of Vlogmas. I will see you guys later. Bye. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Kiss.